Alright, welcome to Josh's Green Garage. So today, you can see behind me, trees are pretty much bare. That means all the leaves are on the ground, as you can see. So we're pretty much at the end of doing anything here. We're expecting snow here in the next few days. So I'm trying to get everything cleaned up. And it's raining a little bit, and I figure this would be a great opportunity to see if the John Deere yard sweeper can pick up wet leaves. I get a lot of questions about, can it pick up this, can it pick up that? So I figured wet leaves will be a good test for it. Why you would do this normally, I don't know, but hey, it's a good test. So behind me, we got the 758 with my sweeper, and we'll run it over here, see what we can get. Before we get started, I just want to give a quick reminder that I now have a Facebook page for the channel. So if you like this channel, please go ahead, check out the Facebook page. Maybe like that. I'll be posting sneak peeks of whatever I do on there, just any random things that I get into. I also have links on there to my eBay page, so please feel free, check that out. And there you have it. You can see, looks pretty good. I got most of them up. They're around the tree, of course. It's hard to get in that tight to it, so you might have to rake those if you're really worried about it. But pretty much my theory is that this being a low spot in my yard, when the snow melts and the ground's still frozen, the grass doesn't come back quite as quick because, of course, there's still water there. But also all those leaves would have blocked out sunlight. So again, my theory is blocking out that sunlight made the grass in this area take a long time to come back up this year due to how much snow we had. So I'm hoping to kind of eliminate that, or at least lessen the chance of that this year. Hopefully removing those all those leaves will help, sunlight get to the grass quicker, warm the ground quicker, and hopefully we won't have that issue. So yeah, now you can see this thing picks up wet leaves, no problem at all. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.